fast to describe one's own identity. The question, who are you and what do you do, is easy to answer. However, more interesting is the question why. Why exactly does one do what one does? For DRÄXLMAIER, the answer stretches back to May 1958. In that month, Lisa and Fritz DRÄXLMAIER laid the foundation for the DRÄXLMAIER companies with the initial production of 50,000 wiring harnesses. A bold step, and one born of an enormous fascination for innovation. It is just this enthusiasm that still drives us today after more than 5 decades. Something like this leaves its mark on our products, our processes, but above all, on our employees. Their enthusiasm, their passion for the premium automobiles, and their excitement for something new are outstanding qualities for creating the character of the automobile in intelligent and sustainable ways. One of these ways leads us through our decades-long experience as wiring harness specialists and inventor of the customer-specific wiring harness, not only to ever more sophisticated wiring harnesses, whose complexity we have mastered in 10 to the power of 31 variants. It also leads us directly to pioneering technologies in conventional and alternative drive systems, as well as electrical and electronic components. Since technical perfection only functions when it is in the entire system, we are also developing central electronic components in-house and are accompanying the electrical mobility of the next generation. From high-voltage wiring harnesses up to modern energy storage systems. Just one look at a perfectly stitched seam shows that DRÄXLMAIER has combined interior, electrical, and electronic technology into a perfect unit, from fine craftsmanship up to industrialization. And with innovations such as low-shear, flexible leather, the intelligent use of lightweight biocomposites, or individually variable lighting technology, DRÄXLMAIER demonstrates how mobility can be presented in entirely new and individualized ways, with emotionality, style, and above all, character. DRÄXLMAIER accompanies every vehicle project from the very first idea up to series delivery. This is a philosophy that requires complete understanding of the entire process chain. It includes the conception and the most modern simulation processes, such as prototype construction, the in-house manufacture of tools that are used all over the world, process development and special equipment construction, and all the way up to precise in-sequence delivery to the assembly line of the automobile manufacturer. The result is that DRÄXLMAIER maps out the entire process, from the first idea through to the in-house development and production processes, including the most modern testing and inspection technology. From our in-house EMC laboratory, which assures the failure-free synchronization of electrical and electronic components, to high-precision material analysis at DRÄXLMAIER, every product must meet our high standards for function and quality in meticulous, practical tests. What is finally carefully assembled by our employees is more than the perfect interplay of function, comfort, and safety. For example, as a system partner, DRÄXLMAIER is responsible for an entire automobile interior, combining the interior and wiring harness elements into a 100% performance-tested module. As a globally operating supplier with employees in over 20 countries, DRÄXLMAIER has a production network whose sites are always located in the vicinity of automobile manufacturers. this way, we assure that each individual tested product arrives at our customer's assembly line exactly on time and absolutely in sequence. This is also the reason why we have been selected for decades as a system partner by the world's best automobile manufacturers. The question of the future still remains. We are convinced that the mobility of the future will be emotional, multifaceted, and sustainable. This is a task that we approach in a very thorough manner. With a new future-oriented wiring harness architecture, with intelligent solutions for energy distribution, with innovative system solutions for the next generation of electric vehicles, with a perfect combination of electronics and interior systems, with integrative lightweight construction and the intelligent use of resource-saving materials, with fascinating technology and individual design, with enthusiasm, inventiveness, and character. DRÄXLMAIER. We create character.